Hi, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Opo, siya.
Hi, good afternoon. Am I loud and clear?
Opo.
Okay, can you turn on your camera, please? Thank you so much. Okay, turn it on. All right, so this time we will not do some reading starting today. Hindi tayo magbabasa or mag-aano. Ang gagawin natin is for the um, starting today until next week, magre-review tayo for the math and science para sa entrance exam mo daw. Oops,
Ito
may entrance exam pala yun sa school na sinasabi mo last time.
po. Ayun lang po ba?
Okay, yeah. So, yun yung gagawin
No,
natin.
ano po? Ayun lang po ba? Math and science.
Yeah, math and science po. Sige,
Math
punta
and
tayo
science.
sa math
Math and
muna.
science.
Okay. Entrance exam for grade 7. So, gagamitin ko muna tong link na binigay ni Adeline.
With
Then, let's
quiz,
try to,
with
let's,
quizzes po.
hindi po. Mag-aano po tayo, discussion muna tayo kasi parang more on algebra to, more on yung mga previous talaga na sinishare, na nilo-learn nyo, no? Sa sa elementary. So, may mga lot for problem. So, this is just a question from 1 to 10. Then later, I'm gonna give you some more of the entrance exam na review for grade 7. So let's try to answer number 1. Yeah, you're using your tablet?
Opo.
Okay. So sa entrance exam, I encourage you starting today also, pilitin natin hindi tayo gumamit na calculator because hindi ata talaga allowed pag mga ganitong mga entrance exam yung mga calculator. Okay lang ba yun? Okay, para mas makita natin saan ba yung weakness natin para alam ko kung saan tayo magpa-practice more. Okay? So, okay lang ba? Yun ang challenge?
Opo.
Okay, now let's find what is the answer. 56 plus negative 43 is equals to x. Ito madali-dali to. 56 plus negative 43 equals x. So basically, 56 plus negative 43 na siya. Can you only hear me, by the way? Or can you hear
Opo.
other things? Okay, great. Okay, anong gagawin natin? Do they have the same sign or different sign?
Ay, wait. Mga minus pala po ako. Different sign po sila.
Ano po yung gagawin natin? Same sign or different sign?
Different sign po.
Different
So,
sign siya. So, anong gagawin natin? Subtract or add the number?
subtract po.
Subtract.
So,
We will subtract the number. Very good. And copy the sign of the bigger number. Good job.
1, uh, 3
Mhm.
minus 6, 3, 13. Okay. B13.
Okay, very good. Positive 13 siya kasi mas malaki
Um,
si positive
Opo. Mas malaki
56.
po yung positive.
Okay, for number 2, what is the answer? Negative
Ay,
43 plus 5.
teacher, then, ito po ba yung lalabas sa entrance exam kaya?
Hindi po exactly. Hindi po natin alam yung mismong questionnaire sa entrance exam nyo dun sa school, but we will follow the standard mga questions. Usually kasi talaga, yan ito yung mga nilo-learn nyo nung elementary. So, yeah. Yun lang yung ma-assure ko na makikater mo yung mga topics, pero hindi yung exact question.
Kasi po,
Kasi
di ba, sir,
masyadong
dun
malawak
sa
po
mga,
yung question and answer. Masyado pong malawak po yung may mga school kasi that they made their own questionnaire. So, hindi natin ma-assure na ito mismo yung lalabas. Pero, ma-assure natin na itong mga topic na to lalabas sa exam mo. Okay?
opo, kasi
So, let's
yung
have the,
mga ano po natin nun sa quizzes, lumabas
ah,
po
oo, pero wag tayo mag-assume kay baka masakitan tayo.
dito.
True. Relate. Okay, so let's have the number 2 then. What is the answer? Negative
Ayun.
43 plus 5x is equals to, not 5x. Negative 43 plus 5 equals to x.
So, 43 minus, oh, difference of 4, ma-minus ko na lang. So, 13? I know, plus pala. So, oh my God, dito ako
Mm.
nandito, siya. Wait.
The same sign ba sila or different sign?
Different sign po.
Different sign
Kung
sila. Therefore, anong gagawin? Add the number or subtract the number?
subtract po.
Subtract the
Kung B ang
number.
ano.
Very good.
Kung, okay. Kasi kung 4 minus 5, ginawa ko.
Mhm.
So, maging 13 siya. It's either this two. Yan lang siya.
Mhm.
Ano kaya ito? Dear, patulong. Di ko
Pati
masyado
po.
get yung
Negative
number 2.
43 plus 5 po. Parang parehas, asan po hindi banda mag-gets dito? Which part?
Yung parang, kasi po,
Yung,
minus ko po yung 40, ay, wait.
show me your solution po.
So, kung,
Again, don't use the calculator, ha? I trust
no,
you that
sir,
you're not using, ha? Okay,
that,
can you show me your solution?
dapat po makikita niyo po sa salamin ko. Pero, nagtataka po ako kung
Bakit po? Saan po na part? Sige, try
5.
mo muna. Minus tayo, di ba po?
Opo. So,
Okay po.
kung 5.
So, borrow po tayo kay 4. Magiging 4. Si 4 magiging 3. And then si 3 magiging
13?
13. Yun. Then
Oh,
minus.
okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay. So,
Welcome.
13, 13, 4, 5, 8,
Mhm.
8. So, 5,
Bring down.
ay, bring down 1 po. Huh?
Bring down mo na po yung anong number po. Tapos ka na kay 13 minus 5, which is 8. So, wala ka namang number dito. So, ibababa mo na po yan, diretso si 3. Sa answer na, wag po dito.
Ay,
Kasi pag nilagay mo siya dyan, magiging 35 yan. Sa final answer mo. Yan. Anong
38.
magiging answer? Positive or negative?
Negative po.
Okay. Kasi mas malaki itong number na to. Okay, good. Next. Number 3. What is the answer? 66 plus negative 66.
-0.
-0.
Yeah, I guess. Kasi, oh my God.
Sige, sige.
Kasi
Kaya
ba
natin
kung,
yan.
ay, kung
Mm-mm.
6 minus 6 is 0 and 6 minus 6 is 0, then,
Mm-mm.
er, hmm, ano po talaga? Number A. Ay, number A. A.
Letter, letter
Letter A
B.
po.
Letter B, kasi wala pong -0. Remember, always remember this one, dear ha, para baka lumabas din sa klaseng question sa exam. So, pag sinabi mo kasing integers, yan, mga integers yan. Sa number line, tatlo po yung category natin sa integers. Okay, meron tayong 0, meron tayong mga positive numbers dito, at meron naman tayong
Yeah.
mga, ano yung nasa left ng 0?
Negative.
Negative numbers. So, tatlo lang po yan. Negative numbers, 0, and positive. Si 0, not a positive, not a negative. 0 is 0. Okay? Yan.
Okay.
Ito kay 1, dito, positive 1 to. Pero si 0, sabihin natin 0, wala po siyang, ah, tawag to, wala po siyang negative or positive kasi can stand alone siya, independent siya, strong independent woman. Ganun, si 0. Okay, let's have the number 4. Can you read first? Problem? Ay, meron
Dahil
pala dito
lahat,
na mas ano, wait lang po dear. Dito na lang. Okay, go.
dahil has 55.25 money left in his pocket. He buys a drink costing 12.25 and a food costing 25.75. Excuse me. What is
Mm-hmm.
the remaining money left in his pocket? Now, answer solution. What is the answer? What is the answer? 45 minus
Okay,
uh
sorry. Parang nagkaka-anuhan tayo dun na part ah. Okay, wala po siyang ano, si number 4 po, wala po siyang multiple choice. So, aansaran po natin. Ito po, for the question number 5 po to. Question number 5 yan. Na ano lang yung space. So, Tino has 55.25 or 55 pesos and 25 cent money left in his pocket. Okay? Ilan daw natira na money?
55.75.
Okay, then what did he buy with his remaining money? What
Money
did he
ay
buy?
and food.
Ha?
Drink and food po.
Which is called, what cost? How much?
Drink is 12.25 pesos and the food is 25.75 pesos.
Okay, 25 pesos and 75 cents and 12 pesos and 25 cents. So, what is the remaining money left in his pocket now? What do you think we're gonna do to solve this problem?
Neg neg negative po.
Ano po gagawin natin?
Mm,
Ipa-plus,
if
ima-minus, isa-subtract. Good job. So, align the decimal point. And good.
5, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 25.75. 5, 7, 7, 3, 2, 4, 2,
Big decimal point. Don't forget to align your decimal point.
2, 4, 2, 2, 2. So, the final answer is 22.75. That's 22.75.
Okay, 22.75. So, yan po yung final natin answer after we subtract. Pero, before that, I need you to confirm something first. So, 0 minus 5, is it 5? Like for example, wala akong pera. Tapos manghihiram ka ng 5. So, a-answer ba nung magkano utang mo sa akin? Meron 5 pesos ba yung utang mo sa akin kung wala naman ako mapapahiram sa'yo? Diba? Parang ganun po yun. So, manghihiram ka sa akin ng 5 pesos, eh wala akong pera. So, ibig sabihin, you cannot subtract 0 by 5. So, katulad po sa ginawa natin kanina, borrowing technique po tayo. So, borrow po
Ayun.
tayo dito kay 0, pero dahil 0 pa rin siya, kumbaga, uutang ako sa wala ding pera. So, magbabaro tayo doon sa may pera. Dito tayo kay 3. Si 3, ano mangyayari kay 3?
2.
2.
Then,
At itong si 0,
siya,
magiging 10. Pero dahil hihingi ito, magbabaro ito, si 10 magiging
11.
magbaborrow eh. Hindi siya madagdagan, bababawasan.
9.
9. Magiging 9 siya kasi manghihiram, papahiramin niya tong 0 dito. At yung 0 dito magiging 10. Okay?
Okay.
So basically, yung magiging 10 lang, yung last na 0. Etong 0 na to magiging 9. Alright, so 10 minus 5, that's still 5. 9 minus 7, that's 2. And then, okay, with the decimal point, don't forget to align. Okay. Dear, ayan na naman po. Pwede mo po ba, huwag ka po dito sa baba titingin kapag nagsasubtract ka ha, laging sa taas. Kung sino yung nauna na sulat. Okay? Hindi po pwede po laging sa baba nakatingin or kung sino lang yung malaking number. So, 2 minus 5, can we subtract 2 minus 5?
No po.
No. So, what we're going to do?
Borrow.
Borrow ulit? Yes. Can you borrow to the 4? Perfect. And 4, oh, 4 becomes 2 po ba? Isa lang po yung ibaborrow natin kay 4. 3. And then, ano mangyayari kay 2? Magiging, dadagdagan mo ng 1,
12.
12. 12 minus 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 3, 2, 1. Final answer.
Okay, so the final answer is 17.25 or 17 pesos and 25 cents. Good job. Very good. Now, can you try to solve this one? 45 minus negative 45 minus negative 23. Do you still remember our rule when we're going to subtract?
Odd time.
Ano nga yung word? Tatlong word na kailangan natin tandaan. Keep,
I keep,
change.
keep. I keep, change, keep.
Keep, change, keep po ba yun?
Or
Di ba may isa
keep,
lang tayo hindi papalitan? Tapos the rest, i-change?
keep, change.
Very good. It's keep, change, change. So, keep the first number, change the operation, and change the sign of the second number. So, can you write down paano yung magiging keep, change natin dito? So, 45 minus negative 23.
Di ba yung
45?
yung ito po is times
Hmm?
times po pag ano
Apo, times po
magulo.
siya kapag wala ka pong nakikitang operation dito. Pero kapag may nakita kang operation, ifa-follow mo po siya. Minsan, nagpa-parenthesis tayo para i-separate po yung negative. Kasi, pag ganito po yung magiging itsura niya, 45 minus 23, parang awkward tingnan. Pero keep change ka muna po. Pakikita mo muna sa akin paano yung keep change natin dyan. Pakita mo muna yung i-keep. I-keep si 45. Ibig sabihin wala tayong babaguhin. I-write down again sa baba. 45. And then, change. Hindi ka nag-change. Hindi nag-change. Keep changing, sabi mo, yun yung rule. Anong kabaliktaran ng minus? Anong kabaliktaran ng
Positive po.
minus? Okay. Nasaan yung plus dyan? Okay. Then yung isa, sabi mo keep change. Hindi nagbago yan, Karen. Negative pa rin siya. Okay. So, pwede mo na siyang lagyan ng positive number na lang. So, 23. Very good. So, apply the rule. Kaya yan.
So, ano po siya?
45 plus 23. Ano yung ano nito? Answer natin.
Six, 3, 6, 8. 6, 7, 8, yeah.
So, 68 po yung magiging answer. Good job. Okay, let's have the number 6. What is 10 minus negative 5? Oh, ito. Keep change ka pa rin.
Okay. Parang ginawa ko lang din kanina. 15.
Pero ano nang nangyari sa minus mo? Wala akong nakitang na merong keep, merong change, pero nag-skip ka sa gitnang change.
Ginawa ko pong positive. Ay,
Opo,
yung nga
pero
pala,
nasa po yung plus mo.
pala, sorry, sir.
Sign po to. Okay, again.
Nakalimutan ko ilagay yung,
It's okay.
kung same ang, ano dito, so, negative. Wait lang, sir. Kung same, ayan, then, keep change, ginawa ko.
Keep
Which is ngayon
change.
ay,
Yes. So keep the number 10, change the minus into plus, and change
so
the sign of
positive.
negative 5 into positive. That's the keep change. So laging magiging plus po yung minus. Okay, let's go to the next part. So, 10 plus, it's positive 15. What about 4? Ito, times naman tayo. 17 times negative 10. Di ba si multiplication, saka si division, may same rule, they shared with the same rule? Okay, so hindi tayo mahihirapan kapag multiplying and dividing. So kapag multiplying tayo or dividing na same sign, ano yung magiging final answer natin? Positive or negative? Same yung sign natin. Halimbawa, negative 3 times negative.
Negative.
Positive po. Pag same sign, positive. Pag different sign,
Negative.
halimbawa, 4 divided by negative 2, magiging answer niya negative 2. Magiging negative po always yung answer. Okay? Alright, sige. Another review. Pag same sign yung nagmumultiply tayo or nagdi-divide, what's the sign of our final answer? Positive or negative?
Same sign, positive, different sign.
Positive.
Divide. Ay, negative.
Pares lang po. Basta either multiplication or division. Pag same sign.
Same
Positive or
sign,
negative.
multiplication.
Yeah, multiplication or division na same sign yung ano niya. Ano yung
Same
magiging
sign.
final answer? Negative or positive?
Negative.
Ano po yung sinabi kanina pag same sign? Like negative 3 times negative 2.
Positive.
Positive. Or negative 10 divided by negative 2. Same sign.
Positive.
Positive. Basta same sign siya. Pag different sign,
Negative.
very good. That's negative. Good job. Sige. Na tayo sa next question. Okay. Can you read for... hindi pa pala tayo nagsusolve. Sorry. Excited. 17 times negative 10. Do they share the same sign or different sign? Madi. Same sign or different sign?
Different sign.
Okay. So, what's the final answer kapag anuhin natin yan? Is it positive or negative?
Wait lang po, Che. Different
Different sign.
sign is negative.
Negative.
So, 2, 1.
So, multiply them. 17 times 10.
What times? So, nakamit po kayo, Che.
Sorry. Can you hear me now? I want you to take note of this or to remember this technique, okay? Especially kapag 10 siya or 100 or 1,000, as long as 1 to at 0 yung the rest, walang ibang number kundi 0 lang, the rest of the, after kay 1, ganito po yung technique dyan. So, 17, halimbawa, 17 times 10. I want you to take note ha, or to remember po. Just copy the number right away. Basta 1 po ito. Tapos, after kay 1, puro 0. Walang ibang number. Hindi pwede 102. Tapos, kakapi mo yung 17. Hindi pwede yon. Dapat lahat 0. 0 yung the rest. Walang ibang number, kundi 1 and 0 lang. Do you get it? Klaro ba? Yun lang yung ma-apply mo yung rule na to. So, kapag ganito, pag 1 to, saka 0 lang yung the rest, kopyahin mo agad yung number na minumultiply mo sa taas. 17. And then, ibababa mo yung 0, depende kung ilang 0. Ito, may isang 0, so that's 170. Pero for example, 18 times 100. The rule, basta 1 tapos 0 the rest, kopyahin mo to,
1,800.
and then, ibababa mo yung dalawang 0. So, 0, 0. So, 1,800. Okay?
Gusto ko
Ito.
lang po i-make sure bago ko po parang isagutan. Kasi po, ayun na po talaga yung
Opo. Para kasi sa entrance exam, ang alam ko kasi, may limited time kayo. So, we're gonna teach you also the techniques. Kasi para hindi maubos yung question mo sa mga, yung mga pwede nating i-shortcut yung solution. Kasi as far as I know, meron talagang mga limit times si entrance exam. Pero you did a great job so far. So it's time already. We will take a quick break muna. Okay, and I'll try to give you another um lesson po sa math. So magre-review tayo. Then tomorrow po yung science. Ay,
Sige po.
tomorrow. Next week pala. So, sige.
Pero
Yes po.
yung inano po sa inyo is math and science lang po. So, math and science lang yung masasagutan ko lang po sa entrance exam.
Math and science po kasi yung ino-offer po kadalasan namin. So, I do not know if we can find sa ano, kasi wala tayong reviewer talaga eksakto. Pero, try natin, ha? Try natin. Kailan ba yung entrance exam mo?
Sinasabi po ni mama, if kaya ko na po, baka end of this April.
Ah,
Pero
okay.
feeling ko po na kaya ko lang po, pero kailangan ko po parang practice na practice na practice pa po.
Mm, yes,
Bago ko
practice
po.
lang tayo. Yeah.
Kasi kung
Especially sa
more than
entrance exam,
practice,
oo, lalo na pag walang calculator sa entrance exam, mahihirapan talaga tayo dyan. So anyway, let's talk about more kasi si Zoom nagka-count na yung ano niya. Baka hindi kita matawagan agad. So,
sige
so I'll gonna call you after a few minutes. Okay? Thank you so much. See you po.